Sure. Here's a product description you can use or adapt for listings like Amazon, Flipkart, or personal marketing. Hot pot electric with steamer, non-stick fryer pan, 1.5L rapid noodles electric pot, multipurpose cooker for steak, soup, and more with power adjustment. Experience ultimate convenience in your kitchen or dorm with this hot pot electric cooker with. Experience ultimate convenience in your kitchen or dorm with this hot pot electric cooker with steamer, your all-in-one solution for fast, healthy, and versatile cooking. Whether you're craving a bowl of noodles, a hearty soup, sizzling steak, or key features, fire power adjustment function. Choose between low and high settings to suit different cooking needs. Simmer soup, boil noodles, or sear meat to perfection. Steaming bowl 1.5L capacity. Ideal for 1 to 2 people. Perfect for quick meals, solo D. Cut of meat non-stick fryer pan. The built-in non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleaning. Great for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or searing steak. Broccoli bonus steamer rack. Includes a convenient steamer insert for healthy cooking of. High voltage rapid heating. High efficiency heating element ensures your meals are ready faster, saving you time without compromising on taste. Light bulb multifunctional use. One device, endless possibilities. Boil, fry, steam, stew, and cook all in one pot. Soap easy.